Alright, here's part 3. I mean, look at that stack of bricks right there, man. I mean, just one of those bashed against your head would kill you. You know? You got... I mean, look at this. What it does. It's unbelievable. Look at that. Now, we had some major tornadoes come through here last April, I believe. They just obliterated Tuscaloosa, and it used Grayson Valley as a ramp right over this subdivision. I was here, I saw it. It's one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Alabama, if not the biggest recorded damage in history. I mean, it was major time. And after that, after seeing the damage in Tuscaloosa, after seeing it caught on film, after seeing it up above our heads over here, I don't take it for granted anymore. And it's been 75 degrees the last few days, you know, here, and it's January. And it's supposed to be cold. Well, I think that's what's going on. You know, the cold and hot air, just the climate has changed. It's mixed up and weird now. And anyway, there's a path that this follows all the way through from Tuscaloosa, all the way down through here. Clay, Argo, Center Point, you know, Fultondale first, Tuscaloosa before that, you know, and it follows through here. So I think that each year they should be expecting more and more of this sort of thing. You have to excuse the camera shake. I sort of record things on the fly real fast, you know. I don't take enough time, I guess. But it's always with terrible equipment and miserable conditions. So yeah, so I mean, serious stuff, you know. Look at that, the whole damn roof is gone on that one. Look there, left part of it. Craziness, just absolute craziness. Yeah, my friend was in that house where I just parked, Worcester Circle. I woke him up because it went right by me, as you saw where my apartment was. The devastation, I mean, it was pretty damn close. There's damage on the other side too. And so it hit me first before it reached this point. And I knew it was there. I could see it outside. I could hear it. And I called him, and he says, "Oh," he turned on James Spann, and we're trying to get reports. And he wasn't worried. He said it was just a storm, and they said it was 7 miles away, and blah blah blah. No sirens were going off over here. So these people weren't even prepared until the very second that it came through on top of them. And by then, man, it was too late. You know. By then it was just split-second decisions to save lives, man. Save your own ass, you know. So anyway, he wasn't worried. Hung up the phone. 15 minutes later, I get a call from him, and he's in tears. I could hear him sobbing on the other end. And he explained to me, he said, First of all, he thanked me for calling him. And then after that, he told me that he heard it. He heard the sound of it, the train sound, glass breaking. The whole house was shaking. That's because it was coming right through here. So yeah, bad news, folks. All right, I'm just gonna keep the cameras rolling, and we're gonna head out to the subdivision and then take a right. And I haven't been down that way yet. Deerfoot Parkway is where we're headed. And that was blocked off the very night that this road was blocked off, and so they probably have it cleared by now, but I'm interested to see what kind of damage was done that way. Let's go through the alley. Well, you know what, I want to show y'all his house. Just a little bit of damage that occurred. I mean, it's only about 7 houses down. So, you know, even still, you know, there's repairs to be done. There was severe water damage, electrical damage, all sorts of issues. So, but I'll show y'all something pretty cool. Watch this. This is actually cardboard or real thick paper. Right there. It got lodged into painted wood. That's real thick wood. That sucker is lodged in there. That's all it is just thick paper, like cardboard. So stuck it in there like a Chinese star. Alright. So I'm gonna head out to Deerfoot Parkway next. If y'all want to bear with me, you know, I don't know. Y'all might be sick of this video by now, but I'm just going to keep it rolling until I get all the footage that I can. This is what I call Tornado Alley, because it's just becoming a regular occurrence now. Just a normal, everyday thing. And what was really good about this group of people that it happened to is that they responded to each other's needs. I mean, instantly, within minutes. There were so many people out here with chainsaws and trailers and ready to go. And they didn't ask for a dime. People volunteering ice, water, food, you name it, you know. They really helped out each other. They didn't have time to feel sorry for themselves. That wasn't their thing. You know, it was all about cleaning up and taking care of business. That was actually a barn. Alright, stay tuned for the next part.